that butt dry or too low. All right, Crush, you ain't got no condition on Mother Nature. I mean, ease on back out of the middle of the road. You just got down.
Bye, Crusher, 817. Bye, Crusher in the backwoods, 817 Mobile. Bye, Crusher and Mo Crusher, 817 Mobile in Arizona. Bye. Downtown Cleveland. Hello out there around downtown Cleveland, Ohio, 817 Mobile. Hello out there around Cleveland, 817. Working this Mobile out there around Arizona. Bye. Right there, Body Snatcher, I got it. Hello, Body Snatcher in the Suburban. Where you working it? Hello, Body Snatcher in that Suburban, 817 Mobile. Hello, Body Snatcher, 817 Mobile, waving in the Suburban. Bye.
Around Arizona, Billy White Shoes in the Great Lakes.
Yeah, come on, Billy. Come on, Billy White Shoes out there in the Great Lakes, man. Hello, Billy White Shoes, 817 Mobile. Come on down.
Hello, 817 Mobile.
Right there, Billy White Shoes. What are you doing your thing, man? Hello, Billy White Shoes. I heard somebody in there with you, but I couldn't make it out, man. Hello, Billy White Shoes, 817 Mobile. Right back in the Great Lakes. Break.
817.
Right back, Bailey. I got it all. I'm rolling the Watergate out here, so I got it all on the Watergate. Hey, Billy White Shoes, the Watergate is backing me up out here, no doubt about it. Sounding real good, Billy White Shoes, 817 Mobile. Come on down.
Right here, right back, 817.
Right there, dirty bird in the backwoods. Hello, dirty bird in the backwoods by Billy White Shoes. Hello, dirty bird, 817 Mobile with the gate rolling. Come on. I'm talking to you, man, keeping it 100 on my Watergate, man. Hey, Dirty Bird, I'm trying to get a conversation with you up there around the backwoods out there, Dirty Bird. Hey, Dirty Bird, when you got your hat on and you tip your hat for me. Hey, Dirty Bird, tip that hat for me and let me know that Dirty Bird is on the talk show. Hello, Dirty Bird, 817 Mobile is right back.
Hey, 817, everybody, man, worldwide, Dirty Bird, drop, chicken, wild, blue, hat, duty, drop, chicken, wild. Hey, 817, I know I can't sing, but I can get real nasty mean with a 2517. Worldwide, Dirty Bird, slick as movie slickers, go slick real side to the side. Only a little fucking great, and he goes let his number bang. Hey, 817, a dirty bird in Georgia got down, I'll see ya.
Right there, Dirty Bird. Here I come again, Dirty Bird. I said, Dirty Bird, Dirty Bird, Dirty Bird, Dirty Bird in the chicken box, Dirty Bird in the chicken box. Hey, Dirty Bird, I'm talking to you right now, man. Hello, Dirty Bird. Well, you got it all locked up in my radio. Dirty Bird, 817 Mobile. Come on down.
817, I'm just so cruised at 3 pieces of glass, man. That's all I'm doing. I ain't working on that too big, man. Just so cruised at 3 pieces of glass, I guarantee you. And man, I'm not going to Watergate because I'm kind of in the middle of a project. I'm over here trying to paint this little desk on it. I put a smile on my dollar face. Hey, 817, nasty mean Mobile, worldwide, Dirty Bird.
come again, Dirty Bird. Hey, Dirty Bird, here I come again, man. I'm not talking loud. I'm talking soft in my microphone. Hey, Dirty Bird, here I come again up there around Georgia to let you know everything you said is everything I got. Hey, Dirty Bird, Dirty Bird, Dirty Bird in the chicken box. Hey, Dirty Bird, you put it on a show on my Watergate, man. Hey, Dirty Bird, let's see how many views I get on Dirty Bird. Hey, Dirty Bird, while I'm rolling your Watergate out there, man, I want to see how many views I get. Hey, Dirty Bird, 817 says, your talk show, they break.
Hey, 817.
Right there, 35. I got you too. Hey, I had to leave him on the mall for a short bit, 35. Hello, 35 in the Smoky Hills, 817 Mobile. Hello, 35 and Dirty Bird, 817 Mobile. Come on down. 817. Bye, Dirty Bird. I left him on the mall to let you know I got it all. Take it, Dirty Bird. Take it, 35. But Dirty Bird, Dirty Bird, Dirty Bird, Dirty Bird, Dirty Bird in the backwoods got that talk show going on too. Think your Dirty Bird, 817 Mobile is gone.
Bye, 817. I'm gonna get busy over here, man. I'm gonna get busy over here and do something, man. Do something productive and get up off this thing. No doubt about it. Mr. Worldwide, 817 with a beautiful game bowling. I am the fucking Dirty Bird, the man with the drop-top chicken bars in the Georgia backwoods. If you don't hear me, that means I did not key. Click, click.
Right there with the drop-down chicken box right there. Dirty Bird, Dirty Bird, Dirty Bird, Dirty Bird. Hey, Dirty Bird, where you gonna take care of your business, man? I'll be out there just reading the mail. Hey, Dirty Bird, with your drop-down chicken box while you tip your hat for me. Hey, Dirty Bird, tip your hat for 817, man. I don't know if you got a Watergate rolling, but do a Watergate for me out there and tip your hat. Hey, Dirty Bird, do a Watergate for me and tip your hat. Dirty Bird, I got down. Right there, Billy. You trying to move Billy White Shoes, you said, man. You trying to clip him. You trying to clip him right there. Hey, Billy White Shoes, you trying to clip my friend Dirty Bird out there. You said you're trying to move him out there from your state out there. No doubt about it. But I'm talking to my radio, Billy. Hey, Billy White Shoes, I'm talking to my radio right there. Hey, Billy White Shoes, 817 Mobile. Come on down.
Good afternoon.
Hey, Billy White Shoes, I hope I didn't smash your thumb, but I got some good news. The good news is you got in my radio, but the bad news is that Dirty Bird with the drop-down chicken box, man, he way ahead right now, man. He about 30 dBs. He's about 30 dBs in my radio, and I got you about 9, 10 dBs out there, so he way ahead right now. Take it, Dirty Bird. Hey, Dirty Bird, 817, letting you know your position there, break. Bye, Moonshiner. Bye, Moonshiner.
I see you.
Right there. You're still around 25, 30 dBs, but I had Moonshiner out there, man. Moonshiner kind of eased up in Georgia, too, out there, Dirty Bird. Yeah, I keep it 100 out there, no doubt about it, man. Hey, Dirty Bird, you holding it out there, but that Moonshiner kind of eased up in your business out there. Take it, Dirty Bird. Take it, Moonshiner, 817 Mobile. Bye.
What makes you think he can get it back? I hear you now. There's a lot of talk on this end. Anyway, good afternoon on Moonshiner. We're going to listen and see what happens.
Bye, Moonshiner. You moved ahead right there, Moonshiner. Hey, Moonshiner, you moved ahead out there. Hello, Moonshiner, 817 Mobile. Hello, Moonshiner, 817 Mobile gone.
Hey, Rice and Beans, leave them on the mall. Hey, Rice and Beans, Dirty Bird said leave them on the mall. Hey, Rice and Beans, little Dirty Bird in Georgia said leave his ass on the mall. Break, fight.
Dirty Bird, I'm telling you 100, you got it all locked up. You're way ahead right now, Dirty Bird. Hey, Dirty Bird, there's a drop-down chicken box, Dirty Bird, I take a ride. Hey, Dirty Bird, in the drop-down chicken box, 817 Mobile gone.
My 817, I let them all too, though, brother. Hey, 817, yeah, I told them to leave them on the mall. You can make a little money, go looking for. Hey, 817, when you cruise and go once on a Dirty Bird out in a backwoods of Georgia, I'm gonna slide squeaky clean on the Muddy River Bank. I got down.
And you're doing it on the Muddy River banks right there. You're doing it on the Muddy River banks right there with your drop-down chicken box, Dirty Bird. Hey, Dirty Bird, look at this Mobile. Dirty Bird, look at this Mobile. Here it come again. Dirty Bird, 817 Mobile. Bye.
60 dBs, 60 dBs, 60 dBs, 60 dBs. Hey, 17, you got about no fucking 60 dBs in my receive, dog. Look out. You got it going on around my home. You got the good bird. Hey, 17, nasty mean, Dirty Bird in the backwoods. I told you.
And that's my Roger. Here I come again, Dirty Bird. Hey, Dirty Bird, I'm trying to put 65 dBs in your radio right there. I should be 65 dBs in your radio right there with your drop-down chicken box on the Muddy Banks out there. Dirty Bird, 817 Mobile. Bye. One as badass Dirty Birds. That's what you said. I got it all, man. Hey, one of them badass Dirty Birds. That's what you said, Dirty Bird. Hey, Dirty Bird, I'm talking to my radio because right about now everything is 30 dBs in my radio. Hey, Dirty Bird, here I come again, Dirty Bird. 0817, we're getting this Mobile out of downtown Phoenix, Arizona. Bye.
I'm going 10-7, man. Hey, 817, I'm going 10-7. Hey, 17, I'm going to pull this thing on the 7 side, and I'm going to let them boys have their videos back. Hey, 17, Dirty Bird said bye.
Real good copy. You said you're going to go down on the 10-7 side and give them radios back out there. No doubt about it, man. My Watergate don't lie. There's a whole lot of them in there, but a Dirty Bird, you're going to hear that Watergate. Take it, Dirty Bird. I'll tag you in this Watergate. Dirty Bird 817. Bye, Dirty Bird 817 Mobile. Bye. Bye, 413 817. Bye, my foodie brother 817 Mobile. Bye, my foodie brother 817. Bye, my foodie brother 817. Bye, 413. I'm getting down. Somebody, but 413, my foodie brother out there got a mall down going around the mini grass out there, man. My big brother 413, Mr. Daytona, got a mall down with his good sounding microphone, man. 0817 Mobile, downtown Phoenix, Arizona. Bye. 817,
what's on the menu today, man? I got some yardbird with some rice and beans and plantain. What's on the menu? What's on your menu there, baby?
We might do some prime rib. We're going to do a prime rib roast. I'll send you the pictures, man. We're going to do a prime rib roast out there in the oven. So tonight's going to be all prime rib, they break.
That sounds like a plan. I'm going to message you, man, because then I get everybody all jealous. We're going to get everybody jealous, so I'm going to send you that message in there.
No, we're going to put it. Hey, me and you can go live. We're going to put it right there where everybody can see it. Hey, 413. They got to deal with the way we live out there, our lifestyle. Hey, 413, we're going to put it out there so they all can see how me and 413, Mr. Daytona, live. Bye.
Yeah,